Have you ever thought about how the meats we eat could be either a hero or a villain for our health? What if the same food that many of us consume daily could either heal us or slowly harm our bodies in ways we can't even see? Welcome to a topic that could change the way you look at the food on your plate. For centuries, meat has been a staple in human diets, but not all meats are created equal. Some can significantly benefit your health, while others, if consumed in excess, can put you at risk for diseases like cancer. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of meat consumption, uncovering 3 meats that are great for your health and 3 that you should avoid for the sake of your well-being. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make smarter, healthier choices about what you're putting in your body. Let's start. Before we dive into the specifics of which meats are good and which ones are harmful, it's important to understand why meat is such a central part of human diets. Meat provides essential nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. It's a rich source of high-quality protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which play crucial roles in everything from boosting energy to supporting immune function. For example, protein from meat helps build and repair tissues, while iron supports the production of red blood cells. B vitamins, on the other hand, help convert food into energy and support brain function. Without meat, getting these nutrients in sufficient quantities can become a challenge, especially for those who don't eat a varied diet. However, just because meat is beneficial doesn't mean all meats are created equally. The quality of meat you choose and how it's prepared can make a huge difference in how it impacts your health. With this knowledge, we can now begin the journey to understanding which meats are the true health heroes and which ones could potentially be harmful. 1. Chicken, the lean protein hero. First on our list is chicken, particularly skinless, boneless chicken breast. Chicken is a lean source of protein, making it a fantastic option for those looking to build muscle, boost metabolism, and support overall health. It contains a fraction of the fat found in red meats and is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin B6, which helps with brain function and the production of neurotransmitters. The low-fat content of chicken, coupled with its high protein levels, makes it an ideal choice for those looking to manage their weight. Moreover, chicken can be prepared in countless healthy ways, grilled, baked, or boiled, making it incredibly versatile. 2. Fish, the heart-healthy option. Next up is fish, and specifically fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Omega-3s are essential fats that our bodies cannot produce on their own, which means we must obtain them through our diets. What's more, fatty fish is a powerhouse of nutrients such as vitamin D, iodine, and selenium, all of which support the immune system and overall vitality. Studies have found that eating fish regularly can lower the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even depression. A couple of servings a week is all it takes to reap the amazing benefits. 3. Organic beef, a nutrient-rich powerhouse. Last on the list of health-promoting meats is organic beef. Organic beef is a much cleaner, healthier alternative to conventionally raised beef, as it's free from hormones and antibiotics. It's packed with essential nutrients like zinc, iron, and protein, which help maintain strong bones, improve immune function, and give you lasting energy. When choosing beef, opt for grass-fed organic beef over grain-fed options. Grass-fed beef has a higher concentration of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, making it a heart-healthy and nutritious choice. Not only is organic beef delicious, but it also provides important nutrients for the body without the added chemicals often found in conventional beef. The hidden dangers of meat. While meat can be beneficial, not all meats are created equal. Some types of meat, particularly processed and red meats, can actually be harmful to your health, especially when consumed in large quantities or prepared improperly. The health risks associated with certain meats are often linked to the way they are processed, cooked, or produced. Some meats are packed with preservatives, unhealthy fats, and carcinogens that can contribute to long-term health problems, including cancer. In fact, the World Health Organization, WHO, has classified processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and hot dogs, as Group 1 carcinogens, meaning they are known to cause cancer in humans. This is because these meats contain compounds like nitrates and nitrites, which are used to preserve their shelf life but can convert into harmful chemicals when consumed. 1. Processed red meat, the hidden risk. Processed meats such as hot dogs, sausages, and bacon may be convenient, but they come with a significant health risk. These meats are loaded with preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which help prevent bacterial growth and enhance the meat's color. However, when these substances are ingested, they can form carcinogenic compounds in the body. Numerous studies have linked processed meats to an increased risk of colorectal cancer, as well as other cancers like stomach and pancreatic cancer. A recent report from the WHO states that eating just 50 grams of processed meat every day increases your risk of colon cancer by 18%. While it's okay to indulge occasionally, regular consumption can have serious long-term consequences. 2. Grilled or charred meat, the cancer-causing compounds. When meats like steak or chicken are cooked at high temperatures, such as grilling, frying, or barbecuing, they can form potentially cancer-causing compounds. These include heterocyclic amines, HCA, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAH, which are created when meat is cooked over an open flame or at very high temperatures. HCAs and PAHs are both known to damage DNA and increase the risk of cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. To reduce the risk, consider using cooking methods that don't require direct exposure to high heat, such as baking, broiling, or steaming. If grilling is your go-to, try marinating the meat beforehand or cooking it at lower temperatures to reduce the formation of these harmful compounds. 3. Hormone-treated beef, a hidden danger. Beef that's been treated with growth hormones may sound like something that only affects cows, but it can actually have a significant impact on your health as well. Hormones used in conventional cattle farming are given to encourage faster growth, but these hormones can also find their way into the meat you consume. These synthetic hormones, such as estrogen and testosterone, can disrupt your body's natural hormone balance and potentially lead to hormone-related cancers, like breast and prostate cancer. Opting for organic, hormone-free beef can mitigate this risk, as organic farming practices prohibit the use of growth hormones and antibiotics. Smart meat choices. You don't have to give up meat entirely to be healthy, but it's important to make smart choices when selecting the types of meat you eat and how you prepare them. Here are some tips for safeguarding your health. Choose organic and grass-fed options. Organic meat is free from hormones and antibiotics, making it a healthier alternative to conventionally raised meat. Opt for lean cuts. Lean cuts of meat, such as chicken breast or lean beef, contain less saturated fat, which is better for your heart. Cook meat properly. Avoid overcooking or charring your meat. Instead, try to bake, steam, or broil your meat to keep it tender and reduce the formation of harmful chemicals. Balance with vegetables. Pairing your meat with plenty of vegetables can reduce the impact of any potential carcinogens and add essential nutrients to your meal. The power of a balanced plate. While meat can provide valuable nutrients, it should never be the sole focus of your diet. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from all food groups: lean meats, plant-based foods, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This not only ensures that you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals, but also helps maintain a healthy weight, prevent chronic diseases, and improve overall health. Consider incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet, such as plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, and quinoa, which offer fiber and antioxidants. A healthy balance of meat and plant foods can also improve gut health, reduce inflammation, and support your body's immune system. Now that you know the health risks and benefits of different meats, it's time to make a conscious decision about the foods you eat. By choosing the right meats and avoiding the harmful ones, you can significantly improve your health and reduce your risk of serious diseases like cancer. But it's not just about what you eat. It's about adopting a lifestyle that values balance, awareness, and long-term health. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the knowledge, and let's start making healthier food choices together. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite healthy meat to eat? Let's keep the conversation going.